Welcome to my kitchen. Well, need the following ingredients: shredded chicken, boiled potato, boiled eggs, pickled cucumber, and so on. Let's start by peeling the potatoes. Then cut them into pieces. Let's do it all together to save time. It's nice to cut them as much as possible. Now, pick this knife to make it easier. Add the potatoes to the bowl. It's time to cut the carrots into small pieces as well. And then we also cut the pickle into small pieces too. Well, add the boiled peas to the bowl. And add the boiled corns too. Now it's time to add the boiled eggs. Four is enough. And then we'll cut them into small pieces. Add them to the other ingredients. Now we'll chop 2 cloves of garlic. And then add to your ingredients. It's time to add shredded chicken with mayonnaise, salt, black pepper, olive oil. It's best to use a large bowl for mixing the ingredients. Mix the ingredients step by step in a larger bowl. It's time to add mayonnaise. Well, start by adding a few spoons of mayonnaise. Now we add a little lemon juice to add flavor. A little olive oil. Salt. And add as much black pepper as you like. we repeat the steps sequentially. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please like and comment. Share your thoughts on this recipe with me. Also, if you want to see more videos from me, subscribe to our channel. I always try to create new and engaging videos that will be useful to you. Yummy! Now, let's make our salad look as amazing as it tastes. Let's rub some oil in order to avoid stickiness. You can choose any shape you like for your salad. I prefer heart. Gently press the salad mixture into the mold. Making sure it's evenly distributed. Don't forget to give it some rest in the fridge. To add a touch of elegance, you can drizzle some more mayonnaise on top. For a crunchy topping, fry a piece of bread, crumble it, and sprinkle it over the mayonnaise. Finally, add some sliced tomatoes to create a colorful design. Alright guys, we're finally here. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for being with me so far.